Welcome back, guys, for another video. I'm super excited because we are going to rearrange, clean, remove things here, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what I do. This is the state of my living room early morning, and I'm showing you guys everything. I'm telling you, this was around 6 a.m. when the sun came up. I was like, let me show you guys the roughness of this room. As you can see there, I sold my other chairs, which if you watch any of my videos, you will know what it looks like. I also got a new rug, and I love this color. I got this at Ross, $99. This is 7 by 9 or something like that. And I'm going to go ahead and we are going to get cleaning and decorating here again for fall. And I'm going to take you guys with me. So let's go, guys. Lots of people ask me, Gladys, how do you get the strength to always change your home? This is the process I go to. I pick up things by myself. I don't like help from my husband unless I really need it. I like to be in my own zone. This is where I get my own energy. So right there, I'm going to go ahead and remove everything on my fireplace and go ahead and clean, declutter, remove the things I don't need and put things back. Rearrange them. I love rearranging furniture, guys. If you love doing things like that, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you love rearrange in your home.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want.
So this is a process, guys. I love it, guys. I love to do this thing, so it does not feel tiring for me. In the contrary, it doesn't take me that long if I don't have any interruption, like this little person right here. If this is the very first time you're seeing any of my videos, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3. I would love to have you part of my home here. Please go ahead and show some love by liking this video and also staying tuned by subscribing for more videos coming your way. I would truly appreciate that. So I was just testing the couch to make sure if I didn't need any backing, because it looks so beautiful without the backing as well. But it's up to you if you want to keep the backing or not. So far this is what it looks like with no decor on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the surfaces of each table and we decorate here. That was my son. Including here. I wanna go ahead and spruce up over there and switch some of the decors around. As you can see, I have a lot to do. So let's get to it.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now with the whole.
I hope you're still with me enjoying the video. If so, please click on that like button. grab yourself a cup of tea, coffee, especially in this weather that we are having, the cooler season. Enjoy yourself as you watch this video to give yourself some inspiration. For those who always ask me how I get my inspiration, what strength I have, this is the video. I thought I would bring that out, and I hope you are enjoying so far. So continue to watch, so much more to come in this video. It's full of fall inspiration. If you stay all the way to the end, let me know what you think about the whole entire video.
Every change has a reason.
If you're new to my page, you won't know the minimal journey I have gone through. But yes, I decorate very minimally, and having these two pillows on this couch is so rejoiceful for me. I like less is more in my book. I just want to see the room, the decor to speak for itself without having a lot of things cluttered. So that's why I came up with the name Living Clutter Free, because that's basically my motto now these days. Nothing to clutter my mind, my spirit, my home. Everything is just clean, and I love to live that way. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle this section of my home. I'm going to clean the table and go ahead and spruce up here as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean. This is my entryway table, and I love this table. Bought it at Ross, and if you're interested, that's where I got it from. I'm gonna go ahead and spruce up over here as well. Just go ahead and add some little decoration, just to, you know, make it here cute still for fall time.
Unfold if you keep on waiting, but then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together.
I told you guys, I warned you that this was going to be a great inspiration video. Now we are tackling the kitchen area. I'm telling you, this was beyond a mess. I don't even know how I got this bad, but it happens. When you let everything go bad, it just goes bad. So I'm gonna clean here, and I'm so excited because when I clean, I get inspired. I remove things, I declutter, and I just refresh the area. So cleaning for me is very joyful, because I never clean just to clean. I clean with something in mind, so I have a purpose when I'm cleaning, guys.
My lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna.
So this is real life, guys. This is where my family and I eat breakfast, lunch, dinner. Is basically, breakfast nook, and the kids' little feet just stains this area. If you remember, I painted this area, it was all white. I painted it gray because of what they did. They kept making the space dirty, and I feel like being gray, it kind of gives a little bit, it camouflages a little bit. So this is real life, guys. You're going to see all the dirt in Gladys's house. Yes, even a clutter-free home still has dirt. So welcome to my home, guys.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So guys, these are the chairs I went with. I love the fact that they fit right under the island. Let me know guys, I really wanted to paint these chairs white, but again with my kids' little feet, I'm opting out staying this color, but I really love them. As you grow, your style evolve, and this currently is my style. Love it guys. So guys, I am done cleaning. This is what my space looks like. Let me know what you guys think. If you stay tuned all the way to the end, thank you so much for doing so. Hit that thumbs up button and for more videos to come your way. But I love it. I love the new rug. I love the minimal pillows on the couch. I love the colors I have chosen for the chairs. Listen, the moral of the story is I love everything in this home because it basically reflects me. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Which one was your favorite between everything that I did? And wait for more video. It's so cozy in here. It just gives me so much joy, as you can hear in my voice guys. Love your place. It may not be big, it may not be fancy, but make it as what you want it to be like. And as right now, this is where I want it to be, like simple, easy, and I love it guys.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking?
So this will be it for the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on that thumbs up button. If you're new, click on that subscribe button. God bless you guys. Till next time for a new video guys.